Alright, welcome back to my channel. Today I just went to the RC car shop and I got my own RC car. It is a team something, a team associated 128 scale. And it's pretty nice looking. We just went to get it. And it's 14 and over. But we're going to keep it secret, so I'm going to drive it, even though I'm only 9. And let's take a review of it. Here it is. It's a Fox, and I really like it. It goes, well, it's just go, to whatever. I don't know, but I'm just excited to open this. And they're pretty nice, and they're only $59.99 at the RC shop that we got it from.
They were originally $80.
They're originally $80, but they were on sale. And if you want to get it for $59.99, just go to Dan's Crafting and Things. Well, it's pretty cool, and if you open it, it's already ready to run. It's also a Champions design. It comes with a RC remote in the bottom down, and 2.4 gigahertz. And so let's open it.